am Jegan from Rajs Arts and Crafts. Today I am going to show you this detail knife where all we are using in different craft purposes. Come, let's see in detail. This is a detailing knife pack, and you can see here this is used for precision cutting, matte cutting, fine angle cutting on artwork different, and these are all extremely sharp blades, and you can see here this is the outline. Now let us unpack this. So this is a normal cutter, Raj cutter from the brand Rajs. This is also very good cutter. So now I am going to unpack this. So this detailing knife scores well when compared to this normal cutter. So this one is a blade. These are the blades, 5 blades. They have 5 blades in it. These are extremely sharp. You can see how sharp they are. You have to be very careful while handling this. So such a very good sharp. So, and also this one, the next one here, this is the detailing knife, or this is also called as the X-Acto knife. So it has 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 inbuilt here, so totally 6 blades in it, one X-Acto knife has. So you can see these are the parts how we use. So you have to open this, so you can use this holder also easily. This is a holder that is aluminum handle, this one. So if you want very small precision work, you can use like this also. So, and also when you take this here, inside this hollow tube, and then comes this knife, that's all. So this is also a 4-jack saw. You can see here this is a 4-jack saw, and this is surgically sharp knife in harpoon shape. It will be. So this harpoon shape is more effective in many works. So for matte cutting, model making, etching, you can use this harpoon knife. So now I am assembling this. So first you have to put here this on the harpoon. In the 4-jack saw, there will be 4 jacks in it. So you have to first assemble this up to the end, you have to put, and then you have to include this gripper. Here there is a gripper for you to grip it, and then you can take the holder and put it. That's all. So when you screw it more tightly, this 4-jack saw also it grips. So like this. So this is how to assemble this precision knife. So this precision knife is used in many work. So when compared to this cutter, this one is a flat normal cutter, Rajs cutter for heavy duty, and this is not for heavy duty. This is for soft and also detailed precise work. For precise duty you can use this. This is for heavy duty. You can see here how the leather, plastic, thermocol, wallpaper, and other industries you can use this normal Rajs cutter. And there is a cap here. So after usage, to prevent injuries and also damage to the knife, you can use this cap. And also this is also has a storage box, inbuilt storage box is coming, so you can put all the 5 blades in it easily in these storage boxes. So we have to be very careful while using this knife, as they are very surgically sharp. This one is also very important in craft purposes. So this is a cutting mat, and this is a like thick plastic, but not plastic, high quality acrylic I would be saying. And this one is a A3 size. So this one is very big size, A3 size, and this one is a A5 size, and we have A4 size. All these three sizes is available. So the main purpose of this cutting mat is that there are it is when you cut here, it won't damage. So you, even when you cut here, it won't damage the mat. So that is one advantage. So there will be no scratches or no injuries to the mat. So it will be very safe, and you can work your or this detail art knife easily. This is a normal OHP sheet, that is plastic sheet. So for video purpose I have put here another butter paper on behind, so in order to see that. So you can see here how this work nicely on this OHP sheets. So this is a gripper, this one is a gripper, so it will be very easy to handle this gripper easily. So this is a S, where you have many bends in it, in this S. So you can see here how this is working easily. So you can easily turn this knife according to the bends. So that is one of the biggest advantage with this, and this sharp tip you can use it easily. So like this you can put it easily the yes. So now even that small details can be easily captured with this art knife. So this is the yes, and you can see here I have taken this yes easily. So two times I am taking. So put less pressure, don't put more pressure, or else this may break. Okay, so you have to put very less pressure in this. So now you can see here this S, it will be coming easily. So this is a OHP sheet. So now you can see here how this is coming very nicely. So this you can't do easily with the normal cutter. So how I am using this, you can see here how I am using that. Yes. So this round, how I am using, you can see here. So now I have taken this yes. So you can see here. So such a very good thing you can take easily. So yes has come. So you can put as a stencil or any other thing like this. So this is on a OHP sheet, that is plastic sheet. So the same thing I can't work with this. So this one many people are using, even a smaller sizes are also available, but the only thing is we can't bend it easily. For this we can't bend. That is another thing for this flat cutter. And the second thing, this is one of our students' work in Tangier painting. She is a beginner, and you can, and how this is used in Tangier painting also. This we have taken already this foil outside, but you can easily just scrap it. We have a round tool cutter also. After you put that round tool cutter, you can easily scrap this again easily. So for this also, for Tangier painting, for removing the gold foil, you can use this very well. So, and also for in Tangier painting, you can use this for many that is, if you are doing some embossing work. Now we can see how this works in a very soft paper also. So I'm going to test it. So you can see here, this is why they are telling detail, is that you can see this detail you can get in soft. This is a very soft paper. So such a very good detailing you can get with these soft papers. So you can put heart, all other things. So for soft paper you can use this very useful detailed work. So without even damaging the paper, you can use this. And also you can see how this is using in soft paper. So that is this is a difference in soft paper, but how this is the difference. So for that purpose only I am taking this very soft, very minute paper, that is film paper. Now this is a thermocol, normal thermocol, and now you can see how this is used in thermocol also. You can put a easy that curves also and bring about this easily. So with this detail knife, so you can see here. So but you can't work this easily. So when you are putting this, so it will be quite harder. Only the artist, they have that is the pro who are using this, they will be using this cutter. So this one is very easy to cut also. Very minute cutting you can get with. So such a very minute cutting for thermocol, and also for all your clay works you can get this detail knife. So you can see here how they are cutting easily. So I will show you this clearly. So see how this is coming. So such a very good fine engraving you can put on a wallpaper, and also precise cutting you can get on thermocols. And this one is a thick cardboard, that is, and you can see you can get very good results in these cardboards also. So I showed you a soft paper. In thick cardboard also you get a very good results with this detail knife. So but you have to put some 2 to 3 times pressure. Don't put more pressure on this detail knife, or else it way. You can see here. So such a very good detail work you can get with this thick cardboards. This one is a foam board. So this is a 4mm foam board. This is an A4 size that is used for different building, for making buildings, all other things. And you can see here how these are used in foam boards also. So such a very good precise work you can get with these foam boards. So see, so you can make many buildings and different type of art and craft projects with these foam boards. And also when you are putting less pressure also, you can see some engravings, and you can also make some few dots and all other things, and you can make some different designs also with these foam boards. So this is a foam board, and also we are selling this using easily on this foam board also. Very minute curves you can get easily. So you can see here I'm putting just 1 mm pressure, and don't use, why I'm putting not to use more pressure is that this tip may break. For that only, see here, this is the detail that we are getting. And this is the thin foam board, that is one is a thick foam board, and this one is a thin foam sheet that is available in each and every market. So you can use in this also very good designs you can make, and also superb designs. Easily you can cut it and easily you can use the designs. So this you can use it very good on foam, felt, and also jute, etc. Now on the wood, how these are used on wood. So you can see here, this is a normal pencil, Apsara drawing pencil, 12B pencil, and many of my customers are getting this 12B pencil for engraving purpose more than shading purpose. And you can see here, this is a, so you can even see how these, without damaging the lead, you can easily engrave this for only the, so you can see how this is easily engraving the pencils without damaging the tip. So this you can't do with this cutter as it will break the lead. So this is for carving purpose also you can use this. So you can make, this tip is more important that I told you. So you can just use this tip and just carve it, and many people are using this ABC, all those they are writing here, and they are also drawing here. So such a very good fine work. You can see here I'm even scrapping it and how it is coming. So this is the detail as the name suggests. So such a very good detailing, and you can also take the graphite powder like this also for your artwork with this. So for different craft purposes and art purposes you can use this art knife, that is craft knife or art knife, otherwise called as a X-Acto knife also. And this you can use it for shading also. You can see here, this is a shading, for shading purpose also you can use here, for making different hair strokes, all other things. So after you put off the shading, so just if you are putting a minute, gently just swipe it, not, you should not do very pressure, you should not apply more pressure. So after you shade this, so you can see here these lines are also coming. So like these lines are also coming. So this is on another usage in pencil drawing also, where for hair strokes and also natural strokes without damaging the paper. You can see here it has not damaged the backside of the paper also, but without damaging the paper you can just bring a detailed art with this. So just you are going to put an impression, and then after you are going to shade it, and now you will be getting those lines inside, the natural lines. And you can use this knife in different clay carving and also air dry clay. So all type of clay also for carving purpose and also for detailed work you can use this knife easily. Now I am showing you the 13-piece hobby knife set. You can see all the 13 pieces of blades in it. So you can use these in different craft purposes, and you can get these 13-piece hobby knife also by just a WhatsApp to my number. So after finishing all your work, please don't forget to close it, or else first it may get damaged. Second thing, it may damage your household or your fingers, all other things if get unnoticed, and bring serious injuries. So you have to be very careful while using this knife. Only above age 15 you can give this for your kids, not below 15, as this is more sharper, so they have to hold it and use it easily. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want this knife, you just call us or WhatsApp us to this number, and you can get it easily through courier to your house. Thank you.